Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, where I do unboxing, phone reviews, unboxing accessories, devices, and different forms of tech. Okay, I haven't posted in my channel in a while since I've been busy working, but I do try to make time to make a few videos here and there and post it so you guys can see something or see me with something that you're probably curious about and you want to see it before you actually make a purchase. Okay, so before I get into this video, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell to get notified when I have uploads on this channel. Okay, so this is a case that I ordered from Amazon here, so I'm gonna go ahead, unbox it, put it on our iPhone here and see what it looks like. And to help you guys out, if you're in the market looking for cases and you want to see it before you actually make a purchase. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing here. We're also gonna put it on the phone, give our take on this case. Okay, all right, so this is the case I ordered here, and this is a Spigen. This box seems like it's damaged here on the side. Hopefully your case is not, and our case is fine. Okay, so let me get this package out of the way. This is a Spigen for iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is a thin fit, as you can see, thin fit right here. So this is a code on the bottom, so it says deep blue. So let's go ahead and open this and put it on our iPhone, give our take on this. So let me get this package out of the way here. Let's see what this piece looks like. So this comes with a little sticker here. Has one inside the phone here as well. Let me take this out. I'm pretty sure you have to remove it. Alright, okay, so let's get that out of the way. So this is the case that we ordered here. This is a Spigen thin fit case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is blue. So looks a little different from the one on the blue on the iPhone, though not a perfect match, but hey, what are we gonna do? It's a case, and it was really cheap as well. So let's put this on the iPhone. Before I do that, let's see how our cutout. So you have the cutout for your speaker grills, your charging port, silent switch right here, volume up and down, and power button here. And as you can see, it does have some vents on the side. It's not completely covered. The power button here, it has some openings, some split on the side here, so the button just sits in the middle. Same thing goes for the volume rockers as well. And this case, it looks kind of glossy, but it's not slippery at all. It has a lot of grip, on this case. Okay, and the inside kind of hard. Knock it right here, has some squared off edges, and it does have a little pattern here where the blue has a glossy back right here, as you can see this line that separates it, and a rubbery feel on the top here. So looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this on our iPhone. Fits really nice and snug, as you can see. The lips really thin and nice going around the phone. Has a little raise over the screen, so it protects your phone if you put it face down. Has a little lip over the camera bump as well, as you can see. Looks really nice. And your cutout for your volume, for your speaker grill, and your charging port. Volume rockers feel really nice and soft, not hard to press at all. Same thing for the power button. And you have your silent switch here as well. So this is a Spigen thin fit case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, hopefully this video helps you out. with making your choice, and I will have the link for this case in the description below. So if you want to make your purchase, you can head on down below, hit the link, and you can go straight ahead and make your purchase from there. Okay, so again, this is a thin fit case. This is a deep blue case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's the unboxing. Nothing too much going on here other than unboxing the case, giving you my take on it. The buttons feel really nice and soft, clicky. You don't have to pretty much do too much to get these buttons to work. Some cases I hate when the buttons are hard to press. You have to really sink it in to get it to work, but these really nice and soft buttons, and nice slim case. Looks really nice on the iPhone. Okay, depending on the angle too, the color blends in with the case, so you don't have to really worry about the color not being this identical to the iPhone, but it looks really nice. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the Spigen ultra thin case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on the channel. All right, peace.